Students, today we're going to look at Lesson 2, Writing a Paragraph. Before we begin, let's quickly review Lesson 1. What was your homework task? That's right, to create a list of tips for happiness. Students, in this lesson, we're going to use those tips for happiness to create a paragraph. And we have 3 goals that we'd like to achieve. They are to look at paragraph structure, so how to organize your thoughts in a paragraph format, look at how a paragraph is designed, and finally, writing a Tips for Happiness paragraph. Students, it's time to do the next activity. Open your student book to page 7 and read the article just by yourself for a few minutes. Students, let's have a listen to the paragraph song.
A paragraph is a group of sentences with the main idea.
Students, a paragraph is like, can you guess? Has a bottom, has a top, and some juicy details in the middle. A paragraph is like a hamburger. Students, in order to understand paragraph structure, there's some technical language you need to learn. So let's have a quick look at these symbols. Students, can anyone tell me what they think T stands for? Title. Can anyone tell me what TS means? TS is topic sentence. Can anyone tell me SS? That's right, supporting sentences. And finally, CS, what does it mean? Concluding sentence, you're right. I do want to mention one more thing about supporting sentences. When a supporting sentence introduces a new idea, it usually begins with a transition word or phrase. Let's have a quick look at your student book, page 20. Can anybody call out some transition words you see? First, second, furthermore, in addition. Students, it's time for us to do the next activity. How about take a look at the happiness paragraph on page 19 in your student book. I'd like you to work together with a partner and I'd like you to identify the different parts of a paragraph. First of all, let's colour the title pink, the topic sentence, make it blue, transition words purple, supporting sentence yellow, and concluding sentence green. Let's go through the answers together. Alright, the title. There it is. Your topic sentence is the first sentence in the paragraph. Concluding sentence is the final sentence. Transition words are purple. And the supporting sentences are yellow. Well done. I'd like you to have a look now at paragraph format. Take a look at the happiness paragraph on page 19 and with a partner, what kind of formatting rules or design do you see? Students, let's see if you could find some of the formatting rules. First, the title is above the paragraph and in the center of the page. Next, you'll notice that there's a space before the topic sentence begins. We call this an indent. You need to make 3 to 5 spaces to show that it's the beginning of the paragraph. Next, you'll notice at the end of a sentence there is a period, a space, and the next word in the new sentence begins with a capital letter. Also, the new sentence continues to the end of the row. This means the paragraph ends up looking like a rectangle rather than a list of information. Also, you'll notice after the transition words, there's a comma, a space. The next word in the sentence is a lowercase letter. Students, it's time for us to talk about homework now. I'd like you to take your list of brainstorming tips for happiness and use that information to create a happiness paragraph. You can use your student book page 19 to help you as a guide for how to construct your paragraph. Don't forget the paragraph structure we talked about today. or the formatting tips we just learnt. Next lesson, don't forget to bring your Tips for Happiness paragraph because we're going to work on editing your writing. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!